Okay, so hey you guys. I don't know if I should talk through this or just do it. But I'm using Bye Bye Pores by It Cosmetics. And it's really good with mattifying your pores if you need to like wear your makeup all day or if you have oily skin. But I just love the way that it smells. It smells so good. So I'm just literally just wiping that all on my face to moisturize my face. And then now I'm just gonna go on with my Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer for a combination skin, which I notice I have kind of a little bit, but I'm more, I don't even want to say I have combination. I don't have oily skin. Of course it could get oily, but it's more on the dry side, to be honest. So just putting it all over my face. And then I'm gonna go with my damp beauty blender, and I like to just do that to press it into my skin. And I'm literally just gonna do skin right away. So I'm gonna go in with Born This Way Too Faced foundation in the shade Sand. That's what it's called. This is a little bit light. It's not light for me. I like to look a little bit more warmer, but I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna balance out my face later on when I do my contour. So today, instead of, I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and put the foundation on and just apply it to my face like this. Sometimes I will take my brush and like apply it straight onto my face and then blend it out, but today I just felt like doing it this way. So I'm gonna take some more. But you see that coverage? I really like Too Faced. This, along with their concealer, I see why people would go crazy and be like, wow, this is really good. It really is like worth the hype. All right, so using my damp beauty blender, and I'm just spreading this all out all along my face. And I'm going for like a medium coverage type of look right now, at least for this layer of foundation. Okay, so now that my foundation is on, I am gonna go in with some concealer. So I'm gonna go in with 290 by Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to apply it here on my chin, my cupid's bow, my nose, and my forehead, and then of course my under eye. Boom. And then now I'm going to cream contour. So I'm going to go in with Suede by Fenty Beauty once again. I love this for my contour. And I'm just going to apply here. Bring it up in here on my cheekbone and bring it up. And then I'm bringing it all along my temple area. I'm not gonna go on the middle portion of my forehead just because I don't want it to look rainbowy. That excess product will be brought to that area, but I don't need, it's not always necessary for you guys to draw. And I'm also gonna just put some here to help my jawline. I usually don't cream contour there, but because I don't have my darker foundation right now, I usually do darker on the outside and lighter on the inside for my foundation. But because I didn't do that today, I'm gonna put some there. And now I am just going to blend my contour out first. because I'm letting the cream concealer just sit on there so it could get tacky. So for right now, I'm just bringing it into my jaw. And you see how I'm just using tapping motions and pressing it into my skin? That's what I'm doing. So don't be afraid to bring that contour to your brows when you go to the temples. And this is what I mean by I am going to bring that excess product here to the middle of my forehead. I'm literally taking it from here and pushing it here. Because sometimes when you put contour, cream contour, like right there as a circle, it's gonna look like a circle if you don't know how to blend it out right. But it's okay for your temples to be more so on the warm side. So I'm blending this all out. And then shoot, I forgot to do my nose. Absolutely not. I need this. Okay, so, and I'm just, you know, doing cream today, and I will be setting it with powder. But you can also just only use powder to contour. You don't have to do cream. So now to go on, I'm going to just blend out this. One thing about Rihanna's concealer I can say, and I forgot, it does dry pretty damn fast. So you know what, I'm actually gonna go in with my Urban Decay Rebound. It's a collagen infused complexion prep priming spray. I use it all the time for everything. So I just put it spray, and I'm gonna just use it to help me blend this out. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blend out my nose and bringing it up to my brow. Okay, so that's blended out now. So what I am going to do now is I'm going to set my face. So prior to setting my face, I'm just going to go back underneath my eyes like I just did, and I'm going to just make sure that I have no creases. And I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm just going to take this and set it. I'm also gonna set the sides of my nose and all the areas that we concealed. And I'm just doing that to chisel out this contour. So I'm just going in with Medium Golden by MAC, and I'm gonna use it to just set my face. And I'm using it to dust away that powder. And then now I'm gonna go in with Give Me Sun by MAC to set my contour. And I'm gonna use this nice e.l.f. brush. I love this brush for concealer. I mean for contour. So now I'm gonna go in with my Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette by Juvia's. This is my absolute favorite. I use it for everything and on everybody. And I'm just gonna go in with, this is called Towel, I think. It's almost gone. And I'm gonna put it on my cheeks. You see the difference already? And I'm bringing it up to my temples. Taking a little of the pinky, and I'm gonna put it more on the apples of my cheeks. See? And then I'm gonna just spray my face. And I'm gonna blend out this blush so it can go seamlessly into my skin. Okay, boom. So now I'm gonna highlight Fenty Beauty right here. Go on with this one right here. Brows are done, and I already applied my concealer on my eyes, and I'm not 100% sure what look I want to do on my eyes yet. Go on with this color here. Let's see. Gonna apply my leftover concealer here, and now I'm gonna just blend it. So after creating my wing liner, I put on my lashes called Flirty from my business, Anosha's Artistry. The link is in the description. And then unfortunately, after a few more clips, my camera died and I was rushing to go to a happy hour event. So I didn't have time to take that many pictures, but I did insert some clips that I took for Instagram. It does have a filter, but this look was still flawless and beautiful, and I hope you enjoyed watching.